Welcome to Fast Marketing Strategies with Surfside PPC. This is going to be a new video series where I go through things very quickly. So to name this, I was trying to figure out what should I actually name this. So we're going to name it Fast Marketing Strategies with Surfside PPC. How did I come up with that? Basically in here, I was like, do I call it marketing tips, strategies? What I really wanted to do was marketing lessons, but I thought to myself, that was actually the initial name I came up with, Fast Marketing Lessons. And I thought, why don't I actually do this keyword base so that maybe, just maybe, when people are typing in marketing strategy videos, marketing strategies, best marketing strategies, maybe I'll be the one that is highlighted and recommended there. So to come up with a name, did a bunch of searches into the Google Keyword Planner, did get results, figured out what actually gets the most average monthly searches out of all these, and look at what are the most relevant keywords by all these. So marketing strategies wins by far. Really not even close, actually, kind of surprising. I thought there'd be a little bit closer here, but ultimately what we want to do is I want to rank for this keyword and I want to bring you very quick marketing lessons. So I figured, why not start the very first video by introducing fast marketing strategies, how I came up with the name, and then what you can expect from this are going to be very, very quick lessons where I can cover things in 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes even quicker, and go through quick strategies so you can watch these, get some information, and learn everything you need to know about marketing, pay-per-click, SEO, all of these different things that we're all trying to learn all the time. So this is Fast Marketing Strategies with Surfside PPC. This is how I came up with the name, basically just figuring out what makes the most sense in terms of a name and what actually gets the most average monthly search volume. So hopefully you follow me along on this journey. I'll have a bunch of videos out in a playlist and just basically trying to go step by step and teach quick lessons of some of my longer form videos. This is a quick way for me to give you some of those lessons very, very quickly so that you can learn more in a very quick period of time. So thank you for watching my video and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.